Hi, this is Devashish from Circuit Digest once again back with another video, and in front of me is the Arduino based efficiency meter. As you can see, currently it is running, and you can see it's giving us the input voltage, the output voltage, and the input current and the output current, as well as it's giving the input power and output power. Also, it's showing us the efficiency. So as you can see, this is my current setup. So yeah, so I have a transformer which is providing power for this little buck converter right here. So currently the input is around, as you can see, 32 35 what 34 35 volts, and the output is 3.9 volt, as you can see on the multimeter and also on the display. So you can clearly find out the accuracy of this meter. So I have hooked up this meter. As you can see, this meter is measuring current and is currently 978 milliamp, and the display is showing 1.0 amps. Its current slightly off, but that will do. So let me start the test and increase the voltage, which will increase the current power, and you can see the efficiency. So I made this project because in a lot of my projects I have to test the efficiency and calculate the input power and output power. This little device will help me to do all that in one go. Yeah, so let's increase the power. As you can see, it will change the current value. As you can see, the current is increasing. The multimeter is showing 2.1 amp. The voltage is 8.6 volt, and the my meter is showing also 2.1 amp, and 1 amp is the input current. Also, you can see the efficiency, the input and output voltage. You can clearly see the accuracy. So let me increase the voltage a little bit more. As you can see, because this is a really tiny module, the current will not go as high, will not go very high, and it is throttling and limiting the current. So as you can also see the values here, let me try to increase the voltage a bit more. Yep, I can go a little far. It's currently at about 4 amps, and you can clearly see my meter is also showing that. So thank you for watching.